So these three rivers, whether the western ones had 80% of the water that Indus Commissioner has just told us is a good arrangement which Pakistani side had made them. To me, it was information. It was not known to me that how many million acre feet were given to me in that Indus Treaty in 1960 and how many million acre feet water was stopped into those eastern rivers. It was my naivety. And thank you, Ibrahim Saab, you arranged this dialogue. And I, as a responsible person who must be knowing it, got to know this detail just now. Thank you very much. So this is the importance of this dialogue. This is the importance of this resolution which you will pass today. As Amar Bilal Sufi Saab has rightly said, that Ibrahim Saab, if this dialogue is over today, and as Shahid Saab just made us cognizant of a fact that they sent some papers to be printed in different languages. Those were not printed due to some political reasons. So you can have a podcast, you have a team of media influencers with you, you have a team of social media interns with you, you have a whole campus of 25,000 people. The message could be disseminated so loud that what is right and what is wrong. As a matter of fact, the problem which we had by not building dams and not having political consensus, first let me remind you of a fact that we here in Pakistan are having our own fears. And I respect the fear of dissent. I just don't want to say what I have to say as Punjab. Because my history teaches me that I have been blamed in last 70 years for creating a hegemony in the country. Yes, I have been blamed. Did I do I had to or didn't I? And was this the case? History is the best judge. But I have to be conscious of the fact that I cannot just live with this blame. Either I spell it out or I respect the fear which a smaller province has. May it be a lower riparian, in my case as Punjab being the upper riparian, or may it be there a political position in which they say that our water could be stored and channelized, as the engineer Saab from Wabda just explained, that if there is an ill will, storing water will not help, but making a tunnel and diverting it could be their malice. Yes, that is the case. It is there. This fear and anxiety, as Bilal Saab put it right, it's a low riparian anxiety and it is well defined in law. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for me to understand whether Indus Water Treaty allows anybody to construct dams, I do take a moment to understand what Amar Bilal Sufi said. There's one thing that is that treaty, and there are other jurisprudence of water built by the world, internationally established, and in which aquifer life is an important part, that water has to flow. So it's not just a one stream which Pakistani side has to talk of. One is Indus Water Treaty, and second is those international water jurisdictions in which these eastern rivers might have their share, that the water life doesn't get disturbed. That's again what I have learned here. So by meaning, I'm not here to lecture or advocate a simple cause. I'm here just to spell my concern. Ladies and gentlemen, these think tanks of your educational institutions are life of my nation. The resolve which you will give, the academia will give, the resolve which people sitting here like Jal Saab, like Chaudhry Suhail Wadaich, like Indus Commissioner, like Engineer Saab, Ahmad Saab, and the members of the faculty. Ladies and gentlemen, we are into the war. And a war which is being forced on us. We have to fight it. It is there.